Can you give me one screen protector?
Hello, how are you?
Good,
Don't
how are
break
you?
your phone.
Oh, it's
Otherwise,
okay,
I have
no
to
worry.
fix it. You want a screen protector?
Yeah. You're gonna
Cracked it.
sketch my phone, man.
No, I'm not.
Can you? How much is it?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Free?
Not free.
Not free? You say you got it?
You want to tip me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's how you're gonna put it on if I like it. Right?
I've never had a person not like
What's
it.
your name?
Juliana.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
I don't know. How much is it for me?
You don't know your name.
I forgot it. Okay, let's see how much tip you're gonna get it. You said 2 seconds, no?
Yeah, 2 seconds.
It has been 1 minute.
No, it hasn't.
And you said free, right?
Not free.
Not free? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
I don't have any money.
You don't have money? Then why'd you come in here?
I don't know. You see, you kinda got me. Got it. See, I got you. Okay, my friend.
How's it look?
Perfect. Perfection. Thank you.
Of course.